What's up, everybody? My name is Lai, and today we have our first tutorial video coming to the channel. Insane, I know. So by the time this video is going to be uploaded, it's going to be like 3 a.m. Eastern time. But what I'm just teaching you guys today is how to hook your Xbox One wireless controller up. Has to be a controller made before 2017. And it has to be either an Xbox One S controller, so a controller like so, or it can be one of those controllers, or just any controller before 2017. So what you do here, I was practicing this earlier just for the video, so that's why it's flashing. But what you do is you go to your wireless. I have done this before, but if you have not done this before, you turn it on. You turn on Bluetooth, and then you hold it down. And as you can see, it's already connected, which I do need to turn off. So, boom. Let's click on it, disconnect. That way we can, no, disconnect. Okay, perfection. But if you have not hooked your wireless Xbox controller up yet, you would have to go to pair new device, and then you hold down the sync button, which is at the top of the controller right there. I just focused for a split second. Hope you guys saw that. But now what we do is, once that pops up, if you just hit it and it should pair automatically. But if you have done it already, you click it, come on, okay, and then you hit connect. There's going to be a connect button there, and now your Xbox controller is already set up. So now if you hit the home button, you can see that this app right here looks weird. Oops. So what you have to do, oh, I did not mean to do that, so I'm sorry guys, but what you have to do is you hit the left analog stick on the controller. Come on, let's see if I can get that. Okay. Hit the left analog stick on the controller, and it opens the apps, and you can move around like so. Now, there are some games where the controller will be laggy or stuff like that, but what I mostly use the controller for is Minecraft Pocket Edition. Now, you might be thinking, what? That's such a waste. Why? You have an Xbox right here. Why don't you just play Minecraft on there? Well, the Pocket Edition has some stuff that the Xbox One Minecraft Edition cannot do. But as you can see, so if we focus on the controller, move over here slightly, we can hit A on the controller, and voila, there's no hands near that. And if we hit the left analog stick, it goes up and down on command. But what I would use this for is either Fortnite, Minecraft, or racing car games, or even Call of Duty Mobile. I was going to try it on Call of Duty Mobile. That would have took forever to download, but I'll comment down below if you guys want to see me download Call of Duty Mobile on the phone to see if it works. Actually, you know what? Don't even comment down below, because I'm going to do that right now. So we're installing it. But yeah, guys, that is how you connect your Xbox wireless Xbox One controller S. It doesn't matter what controller it is, as long as it was made before 2017, it will work with it. But I recommend either using the Xbox One S controller, because those come on with Bluetooth automatically built in on it. And you can also use, if you have one of these controllers, you can also use this controller. But just remember, any controller that was made before 2017 will not have automatic Bluetooth built into it. But I got lucky, and this controller was made last year. So yeah, that's why this one has automatic built-in Bluetooth. But yeah, guys, that is how you connect your Xbox wireless controller up to your phone. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. And yeah, I guess I will see you guys in the next video. Now it's floating, but so yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Hope you enjoyed.
Bye.
Bye.